I was tired of the sound of my own voice, Renée Zellweger said, quitting acting for 6 years because it was repeating the same emotional experiences. In a British Vogue interview with her longtime Bridget Jones co-star Hugh Grant, Renée Zellweger said that her voice was the reason she stopped performing for almost 5 years in the 2010s. Zellweger had previously been nominated for 3 Oscars at that point in her career and had won Best Supporting Actress for Cold Mountain. Despite becoming one of Hollywood's highest-paid female performers in the late 2000s, Zellweger was unable to tolerate her own voice, Zellweger said, because I needed to. When Grant questioned her about why she took a 6-year acting hiatus from 2010 to 2016, I had become tired of hearing my own voice. I was like, oh my gosh, listen to you, as I was working. Renée, are you depressed once more? Is this your crazy voice, then? The same emotional sensations were being repeated. For 6 years, Zellweger did not act, but she continued to write music and remain active as an artist. She'd studied international law as well. In addition to spending a lot of time with family and godchildren and traveling throughout the nation with the dogs, I also constructed a home, rescued 2 elderly dogs, formed a partnership that resulted in a production business, and fought for and collected money for an ill friend. I became healthy.